For the continuation of the problem, one-dimensional heat equation, we have the one-dimensional heat equation. For that, initial condition and boundary conditions are given. Now the suitable solution which satisfies the boundary condition is u of x comma t is equal to a cos px plus b sin px into e power minus alpha square p square t, which is equation number 1. Apply condition 1. Apply condition 1 in equation 1. We get the condition 1 is here u of 0 comma t is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 in condition 1. Equation number 1. U of 0 comma t is equal to a into here cos 0 is 1 plus sin 0 is equal to 0 into e power minus alpha square p square t is equal to right hand side of the first condition is equal to 0. Therefore, u of 0 comma t is equal to a e power minus alpha square p square t is equal to 0. Here either a equal to 0 or e power minus alpha square p square t is equal to 0. Here e power minus alpha square p square t is not equal to 0 because it is defined for all t. Therefore, only possibility is a equal to 0. Therefore, substitute a equal to 0 in equation 1. We get u of x comma t is equal to, here a is equal to 0 in equation number 1. Therefore, b sin px into e power minus alpha square p square t. This is equation number 2. Apply condition 2 in equation 2. We get the condition 2 is equal to u of 30 comma t. Here x is equal to 30 and right hand side is 0. Therefore, u of 30 comma t, x is equal to 30. b sin 30x e power minus alpha square p square into t is equal to right hand side 0. We know that e power minus alpha square p square t is not equal to 0. It is already explained. Therefore, only possibility is here if b equal to 0, already a equal to 0. Therefore, equation 1 becomes trivial solution. Therefore, b is not equal to 0. The only possibility is sin 30x is equal to 0. Therefore, only possibility is sin 30p equal to 0. Therefore, sin 30p equal to 0. We know that sin n pi equal to 0. Therefore, substituting 0 is equal to sin n pi, sin 30p is equal to sin n pi, cancelling sin 30p is equal to n pi. Therefore, p equal to n pi by 30. Substitute in equation 2. We get, substitute in equation number 2, u of x comma t is equal to b sin n pi x by 30 into e power minus alpha square p square t. This is equation number 3. Here p equal to n pi by 30. Therefore, n square p square is replaced by n square pi square divided by 30 square, that is 900 into t, which is equation number 3. Given A naught is equal to 1, A1 equal to 2. Therefore, put n equal to 0 in the solution. The solution is an equal to root 2 power n into c1 cos n pi by 4 plus c2 sin n pi by 4. Therefore, put n equal to 0 here. A0 is equal to root 2 power 0 c1 cos 0 c2 sin 0, which is equal to a naught is equal to 1. Therefore, c1 into cos 0 1 sin 0 0. c1 equal to 1. Put n equal to 1 in the solution. In the solution A, we get A1 is equal to root 2 into c1 cos pi by 4 plus c2 sin pi by 4, which is equal to root 2 into c1 1 by root 2, c2 1 by root 2. We have cos pi by 4 equal to sin pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, root 2 into c1 plus c by root 2 c1 plus c2 is equal to a1 is equal to 2 here. Therefore, 2 equal to c1 plus c2, where c1 is equal to 1 plus c2 is equal to 2, which implies c2 is equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Therefore, the solution is an equal to root 2 power n, where c1 equal to 1 cos n pi by 4 plus c2 is 1 sin n pi by